Good morning. It is April the 25th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day with our usual disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may be undercompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, the French election effect is still on. Equities around the globe were higher. The DAX was close to unchanged, but last time I looked it was trading up a bit too. Strength in equities has taken treasuries down. The biggest news today for treasuries will be the 2-year auction and the direction of the muni. I believe the 2-year auction will bring in buyers at some point, and I'm not afraid to buy. The news today: FHFA housing price index up 0.4, Case-Shiller up 0.6. Mostly real estate news today. New home sales 585K. Consumer confidence 123.6. And Richmond Fed at 16. The news focus: consumer confidence, new home sales. They both come at 10 this morning. Don't think the housing price index information will have much impact. These numbers could be higher than forecast. New home sales maybe lower. Don't know. Don't have a strong feeling. Consumer confidence pretty high right now. Could be a little bit higher or a little bit lower. We're getting sometimes mixed news on that. So I'm guessing trading range today. Good support 12 to 16. Good resistance definitely at 28, but 24 to 28. So our first sell is 23.27. Second sell is 31.03. First buy 13 to 17. Second buy 5 to 9. We've got another day today pushing 80. Then into the high 50s for a couple of days as the next cold front and rain come through. So when the wind's from the north, it cools down pretty quickly. When the wind's from the south, it warms up pretty fast. And we are getting the April showers that are caused by all this frontal passage. And the wheat crop is just getting in better and better shape. So bull spreads probably aren't the way to go on wheat. Okay, looking at the 30-year. We've got the buck to 04, number 1. Sell 7 to 11, sell 1. 15 to 19, sell 2. On the buy side, 20 to 24, number 1. Buy 13 to 17, buy 1. 5 to 9, buy 2. And the dynamics of the 2-year. I think will bring in support. Gold was lower. No reason to own gold. France is going to stay in the EU, right? And so I still like the buy side down here. I don't know if we can get down to 65, 67, but that's where we'll try to engage the market. 65, 67. Then 60, 62. But the dynamics, again, last week we had 2 days where over 2 days I think we had like $5 billion of gold sold at the market in what they knew would be fairly illiquid conditions, and they were sending a message to the market. 74, 76, sell 1, basically leaning against 75, 79, 81, sell 2. Last night's numbers worked out pretty well for us. So somebody's out there advertising they're selling in gold, and that's usually a central bank. Looking at the euro. Okay, the gap is holding. We didn't get to our 75 buy, which was basically the bottom of value from yesterday, so we are pointed up. So our resistance is 925, then 950, then basically, 110 is so close. My guess is that if we take out today's highs, we're headed for 110. That's a pretty round number. On the buy side, 109 buy 1, and then 875 buy 2. 109 and a quarter is a very aggressive sell. I think we got a good shot for getting stops above 110. Crude was up a little bit when I was looking at it this morning. Market has not turned around. Yeah, it's back down to where we closed yesterday, so everything is pointed lower. I mean, when we come in and we do rearrange the structure, put all that together, dealing with nothing but B's. And so we're looking for a place to sell it right now. 49.50 is where the break in the market is. So don't know if we can get up that high. Obviously 49.25, 49.50s is where we are. So 25 to 50 is sell 1. 75 to 50 even is sell 2. As long as we stay below 50, this market can sell. Got the APIs tonight and tomorrow, the EIAs. Haven't seen any estimates, so stops below 49 will be buy 1. And 48 and a quarter, 48.50, buy 2. Like the short side of the market. 49.25 is pretty aggressive, but sometimes you got to do that to get in. Selling against 50 is not very aggressive. It's a round number. It should serve us well. The E-mini. Every stock market in the world was higher the last I looked. Even the DAX, which was kind of waffling at close to unchanged. 24.01. That is within reach. That came on March the 2nd or 3rd. We're in April, so 30 to 90 days after a high or low is made, a significant high or low is made, it's usually retested, and we're in that window right now. We had a big gap from the French elections. At some point that will fill in, but probably not today. So if we get through 77, then basically 90 is the next bit of resistance up here. And then 2400, 2401. And we're close enough to be there today. Okay, we got this gap that's holding. That's a very, very strong technical signal for the world. Got to move out of the middle in B period. We're working with a P right now, volume and timer match. We should get a shot at 77, stops above that. So we'll put our first sell, 79.81, sell 1. 84.86, sell 2. Best resistance is at 90 if we get through 77. right up there. So an 89.50 limit sell is a reasonable order if you want to fade the market. 70.72 buy 1. 65.67 buy 2. FHFA housing price index plus 0.4. Probably hit that. Case-Shiller plus 0.6. Probably hit that and more. New home sales 585. I don't have a feeling for that. Don't know. Consumer confidence 123.6 could come in a little bit higher. And Richmond Fed at 16. So new home sales, consumer confidence is the news focus. Okay, it's going to take a bit to get some stuff up and posted. I'll get busy on that. I'll be with you as soon as possible.